Hello, third grade. All right, this is our last lesson for this week. We're going to be doing Module 6, Lesson 3. We're going to be finding the number of equal groups. So last time we had the number of groups and we were figuring out how much went in each group. This time we have the number in each group and we have to find out how many groups there are. So we're going to be able to separate the number of objects into equal groups of a given size to find the number of equal groups. So to begin, Kara sees these mugs in a store. So we need to figure out what kind of word problem could we write about this picture so that way we could show equal groups to solve this word problem. So we can see Kara sees what? She sees mugs, right? And she sees that there are mugs in rows, right? There's 2 rows, right? 1, 2 rows, and there are 4 mugs in each row. So we could say that Kara sees how many total mugs? 8 mugs, right? There are 4 mugs in each row, right? There are 4 mugs in each row. How many rows of mugs are there? So that could be our problem, right? If we were to write our own word problem for this picture, this could be our word problem. We could say that Kara sees 8 total mugs, right? There are 8 mugs altogether. And there are 4 mugs in each row. So how many rows of mugs are there? And then we can say that we know that there are 4 mugs in each row. So here's 1 row, and I'm going to do my 4 mugs. And I need to get to 8. So I'm going to do another group of 8, right? So how many groups of 4 are there? There are 2 groups of 4. So if I were to do this as a division problem, it would be 8 divided by 4, and that equals 2. Because there are 2 rows that have 4 mugs in each row. So the answer would be there are 2 rows, period. So to answer that question, right, to solve the problem, there are 2 rows. Because we had a total of 8 mugs altogether, and there were 4 in each row. All right, so our next problem. Daryl has 15 mugs. Oops, sorry. Daryl has 15 mugs to ship. He puts 3 mugs in each box. How many boxes does Daryl need for the mugs? So first of all, how many mugs are there? Well, we know that Daryl has 15 mugs. How could we make groups of 3 mugs? Because he puts 3 mugs in each box. So we could do groups of 3 till we get to 15. So we could have groups of 3 until we get to 3, until there are 15 total. So let's try that. So we have 15. I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So there's my 15 mugs, and I need to do them into groups of 3. There's 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3. So if I have 15 divided by 3, that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many boxes does Daryl need for his mugs? He needs 5 boxes. So when we're looking for how many groups, you have to have your total written down first and then group your total by the number of pieces that are going to be in each group. So let's look at number 2. Tamia needs to ship plates. She has 24 plates in some boxes like this. She puts 4 plates in each box. How many boxes does Tamia use? So we know there are how many total plates? 24, and there are 4 in each box. So she's going to put 4 plates in each box. So that means there are 4 plates in each group. So let's show our equal groups. Here we have a total of 24. We need to group them by 4s. Okay? So I'm going to go, there's 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 4, 5 groups of 4, and 6 groups of 4. So how many groups of 4 are there? There are 6 groups of 4. So this division problem was 24 divided by 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how do we make equal groups? We circled groups of 4. So how many boxes does she need? She's going to need 6 boxes. Because here are her plates, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. And the circles are each one of her boxes. And we want to know how many boxes she needs. So we know she needs 6 boxes. All right, so let's do some check for understanding. If 21 bowls are packed with 3 bowls in each box, how many boxes are needed? So our division problem will be 21 divided by 3, right? We have 21 bowls, and we're going to put 3 bowls in each box. So I need to represent my 21, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I've got my 21 bowls, and I need to do them into groups of 3, right? Because there's going to be 3 in each box. God bless me, excuse me. So I need to circle groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. They are going to need 7 boxes. All right, our next problem. So we have a flower store, and they have 10 vases. Zach puts 2 vases on each shelf until they are all put away. How many shelves have 2 vases? So we have a flower store that has 10 vases, and there are going to be 2 vases on each shelf. So our division problem is 10 divided by 2. So I need to figure out how many shelves I have. So I'm going to put my 10 out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to circle in groups of how many? In groups of 2. And then I need to figure out how many circles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I did too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am so sorry. That was my fault. My fault. I was getting ahead of myself, trying to do too many things at once. So I know that 10 divided by 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 shelves with 2 vases on each shelf. Sorry about that. That was my bad. Okay, number 3. Pam teaches dance class for 16 hours each week. Each class lasts 2 hours. How many classes does Pam teach each week? So we've got 16 hours each week. Each class is 2 hours. How many classes does she teach? So I know that it is 16 divided by 2. So I need to figure out how many classes there are. So I know there's a total of 16. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't want to make the same mistake I made last time. And I need to do them in group. I need to circle in groups of what? In groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So she teaches 8 classes each week. All right, so now we're on to the on your own part. Remember, you can do this independently and come back and check your answers, or you can do it with me. And we're going to start with number 4 with Mr. Kenmar. Mr. Kenmar has 28 peppers to sell. He packages the peppers into equal groups of 4. How many packages can Mr. Kenmar make? So we know that he has 28 total peppers he needs to sell, and he wants to put them into groups of 4, equal groups of 4. So he's going to take his 28 peppers and he's going to put them into groups, and we need to figure out how many groups there are. So our division problem is 28 divided by 4. Okay? So we have 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we've got our 28 peppers, and we need to put them into groups of 4. So let's circle our groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 packages of peppers. Because 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Oh, we are going to skip number 6. All right, number 5. Carla uses 72 buttons to make shirts. Oh, of course we would get to a big number. She sews 9 buttons onto each shirt. How many shirts with buttons can she make? Okay, we've got a total of 72 buttons. She's going to sew 9 buttons onto each shirt. Each shirt gets 9 buttons. How many shirts with buttons can she make? So this is 72 divided by 9. All right, you ready? This one's going to be a big one. We've got to have 72 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. I'm going to go back up here. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Phew, 72. Whew, that was a lot of buttons. I was figuring they would give us a big one here sooner or later. So now we need to do them into groups of 9. We need each shirt gets 9 buttons. So there's 1 group of 9, 2 groups of 9, 3 groups of 9, 4 groups of 9, 5 groups of 9, 6 groups of 9, 7 groups of 9, and 8 groups of 9. So 72 divided by 9 equals 8. So there are 8 shirts with 9 buttons on them. And our last problem is number 7. Nora uses 36 inches of ribbon to decorate picture frames. She uses 9 inches of ribbon for each frame. How many picture frames does Nora decorate? So she has a total of 36 inches of ribbon, and there are 9 inches for each frame, per frame. So this is 36 divided by 9. So let's get our 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we have our 36 inches of ribbon, and we need to do 9 for each frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a second group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A third group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a fourth group of 9. So we have 4 groups of 9, so 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So she can decorate 4 picture frames. Alrighty. So you are going to do 6.3, the black and white worksheet for independent work. I'm going to have you skip number 4, but you will do everything else. So number 4 can be skipped, but I do want you to do everything else. Alrighty, so please do that. Please return it to me at school or take pictures of it so that way I can grade it. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And we will do another group of lessons next week. All right, bye guys.